Hi, I'm Falguni, and we are going to walk through the steps to restore a backup. In order to restore a backup, first log into Account Manager. Go to bluehost.com, enter in your credentials to log in, and then you'll be logged into Account Manager. Now, once you're in Account Manager, on the left-hand navigation, click on Websites. Click on Settings for the website that we want to restore a backup for. On the top menu here, click on Backups. And then once you are in your backups, then here on the ellipsis, click and then you'll see restore option. So click on restore, and then as you can see, you have a notification your backup will be restored successfully. It takes a little while to restore the backup, and this is basically how you will restore your backup. Thank you.